Hi, I'm Gayatri and welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. Today being our first episode and the Diwali week, we decided to make something special for you. Gulab Jamun cupcakes with edible diyas. So let's learn how to make this so you can make your Diwali very special. To start the recipe, you need all-purpose flour, Gulab Jamun mix, sugar, cardamom powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. In a mixing bowl, add the dry ingredients, mix well and keep it ready. Make sure no lumps. Prep the wet ingredients. In a cup, warm the milk and add saffron to infuse. Keep the oil measured and once the milk is at room temperature, add the oil. Now pour this liquid over your dry ingredients, mix well. You can do this with a whisk or a spatula. It's just as simple. Once the mixture is done, take your cupcake tray. I have lined it with bright colors for Diwali. Then take a spoon or an ice cream scooper and portion it into the cupcake liners. Now, in the oven to bake for 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Please make sure to preheat your oven for 10 minutes. The cupcakes are ready and cooled for 5 minutes. Just prep them for soaking by poking the cupcakes with a wooden skewer. And while the cupcakes were in the oven, I made the soaking syrup. Just sugar, water, saffron and rose petals. Or you could even use rose water. The cupcakes can now be kept in the fridge to chill for 20 minutes. While the cupcakes are chilling, let's make a few edible diyas. These are small in size as they are for cupcakes. All you need is some brown and yellow fondant and a little bit of orange edible paint. For the diya, roll a small piece of brown fondant and dent it in the center. Now to make the diya shape, just pinch it in the front. I will show you one more. Now with the yellow fondant, just make a small drop shape. With a little bit of water, stick the drop shape to the diya. Add a few strokes of orange to the yellow flame and that's it. Your small cute diyas are ready for the cupcake. So now that our cupcakes are syruped and have cooled down completely, we're going to use a piping bag, a star nozzle and decorate it with whipped cream. You can whip any whipped cream that is available in the market. Just prep your bag. Put your nozzle through the piping bag, just like this. It's very simple. You just cut the plastic and the nozzle comes out. Now making a sleeve. Take your whipped cream and fill your bag. Once the frosting is in the piping bag, just take the sleeve up and the frosting down. And that's it. You're ready to frost your cupcakes. Just start at the center. And voila, cupcakes done. Take another one. You could color your whipped cream too, but we're going to be decorating it, so I feel this is also good. We can also make a rosette. Now that these cupcakes are frosted, we have some golden sugar beads. These are easily available, and alternatively we can use any nut. I've got almonds, you could use pistachio, any nut of your choice. Take this and decorate it on top. So if someone prefers nuts, you can easily decorate it with nuts for them. You can use the golden balls to add a more festive feel to it, and then top it up with the diya we've made. So here they are. Your Diwali cupcakes are ready. Do share and let me know how the recipe worked for you and how did your friends and family liked it.